A good day everyone! In this video, we will talk about the Cartesian coordinate systems in AutoCAD, which will be helpful in your journey as an aspiring draftsman in the future. So, let's start! Let's first discuss what is a Cartesian coordinate system. In simple words, a Cartesian coordinate system has three axes, which are the x, y, and z. Every time we enter a coordinate value, it always starts in the axes which have a value of 0 and 0, also known as the origin. The Cartesian coordinate system was divided into two categories, which are the polar and the relative Cartesian coordinate system. Were you curious about the categories? Before we discuss them, let us first open our AutoCAD software. And now, let's move on in the drawing area of the AutoCAD software, where we can see the user's coordinate system, also known as the UCS icon, which can be movable when creating a drawing. Just a reminder to our viewers, in this video, we will use millimeters as the unit of measurement, but it can be changed depending on what kind of unit of measurement you'll be using by typing UN as the command for units. And now, let us discuss the two categories of the coordinate system in 2D AutoCAD, which are the polar Cartesian coordinate system and the relative Cartesian coordinate system. The first one is the polar Cartesian coordinate system, which is based on the UCS origin or the UCS icon, which have a value of 0 and 0, which is the intersection of at the x and y axis. We can use the absolute coordinates when we know the precise x and y values of the point. The format of the values of the polar Cartesian coordinate system is x and y only. To further understand the discussed coordinate system, here is an example for us to work on. Let's duplicate the drawing by using its values as the reference. Next is the relative Cartesian coordinate system, which is based on the last point entered. We will use the relative coordinates when we know the location of a point in relation to the previous point. And to specify relative coordinates, precede the coordinate values with an @ sign. Relevant Cartesian coordinate system has a format of @x, y. To further understand the relative coordinate system, here is an example. And that concludes the discussion about the coordinate system in 2D AutoCAD. Thank you for listening and watching, and have a great day ahead.